Hi everyone, this video is about showing you how to use, if you are using for example multiple monitors for connectivity, how you can set it up. All you need is a computer which supports like multiple ports for the display, like for example we've got this mini PC over here. It has got two display ports and one HDMI port. So what I've done, I've connected two of the monitors with the display port. One is connected to an HDMI port. Now, as you can see that this one is already set up with the multiple display, but sometimes you might not be able to do so. So just make sure that your driver for the display is updated. You can easily go to check Windows for the Windows update. Check for updates. If the drivers are already updated, it's good. If not, then you need to update it in order to get the correct driver. So once you've got the driver, all you need to do is go to the display settings. Over here you can see, since I've connected three different monitors, it will show you three monitors. You can select the right one if you like to set it up as 1, 2 and 3. You can also flip them in different ways. For example, if you like the first one to be the other one, you can do so. So this is how it's set up. And once there's another option, if you like to duplicate it or extend. Normally we use it to extend the display. So once done, that's it. Apply the settings and you are all done. Now some people also ask to extend the background. You can easily do so by click on personalize. From here select background and instead of fill, make it span. So as you can see now that the same background is like displaying on all the three screens. So you can obviously like use all the three screens for different purpose, and the background will also be spanning on all three screens. You might need a higher resolution background, but I think that should do the job. So hope you like this quick tutorial, and if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.